Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fluent English Hub, your daily partner for learning real English in a simple and natural way. In today's video, we are going to practice real morning English sentences along with shadowing technique so you can improve your fluency, pronunciation, and confidence in real-life conversations. So get ready, relax, and repeat after me. Let's begin. Part 1. Real morning routine sentences. Waking up. 1. I just woke up. 2. I'm still feeling sleepy. 3. Let me stretch a little. 4. I should get out of bed now. 5. Today is going to be a good day. 6. I need a few minutes to fully wake up. Freshening up. 7. I'm going to wash my face. 8. Let me brush my teeth. 9. I need some cold water to wake myself up. 10. I feel so much better now. Getting ready. 11. What should I wear today? 12. Let me check the weather. 13. It looks sunny outside. 14. I'll wear something comfortable. 15. I think I'm ready for the day. Making breakfast. 16. What should I make for breakfast? 17. I think I'll have some eggs. 18. Let me boil some water. 19. My breakfast is almost ready. 20. I love starting my day with a healthy meal. Starting the day. 21. I should check my schedule. 22. I have so many things to do today. 23. Let me write down my tasks. 24. I want to stay productive today. 25. Time to get started. Part 2. Shadowing practice. Shadowing set 1. 1. Repeat after me. 2. I just woke up. 3. I need a few minutes to wake up. 4. I'm going to wash my face. 5. What should I wear today? 6. I'm ready for the day. Shadowing set 2. Repeat after me. 1. Let me check the weather. 2. I'll wear something comfortable. 3. What should I make for breakfast? 4. My breakfast is almost ready. 5. Time to get started. Shadowing set 3. Repeat after me. 6. I want to stay productive today. 7. Let me write down my tasks. 8. I have a lot to do today. 9. I hope everything goes well. 10. Today feels like a fresh start. Part 3. Daily affirmations. Repeat after me. I am confident. I am improving every day. I speak English clearly. I learn something new every day. Today, I will do my best. Part 4. Full morning routine. Now listen and repeat after each sentence. 1. I woke up early today and I'm feeling good. 2. I stretched a little and got out of bed. 3. I washed my face and brushed my teeth. 4. I checked the weather and chose something comfortable to wear. 5. I made a quick breakfast and planned my day. 6. I'm ready to start my morning with a positive mindset. 7. I opened the windows to let some fresh air in. 8. I organized my bed and cleaned up my room a little. 9. I drank a glass of water to rehydrate my body. 10. I checked my phone and read a few notifications. 11. I replied to the important messages first. 12. I checked my calendar to see what's scheduled for today. 13. I wrote down the most important tasks I need to finish. 14. I took a moment to breathe deeply and relax my mind. 15. I stretched my neck and shoulders to release tension. 16. I reviewed my goals and reminded myself to stay focused. 17. I prepared my bag and packed everything I might need. 18. I made sure my phone and other devices were fully charged. 19. I cleaned up the kitchen before leaving. 20. I put on my shoes and got ready to go outside. 21. I locked the door and stepped out with confidence. 22. I looked around and enjoyed the calm morning atmosphere. 23. I walked slowly and appreciated the fresh morning breeze. 24. I reminded myself to stay calm throughout the day. 25. I told myself that today I will work hard with a positive attitude. Great job! You did an amazing job practicing real morning English sentences today. By repeating slowly and shadowing each line, you improved your pronunciation, your speaking rhythm, and your overall fluency. Daily practice like this helps you build confidence and speak more naturally in real-life situations. If you found this lesson helpful, please make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Fluent English Hub for more daily English speaking practice. Your support helps this channel grow and encourages me to create even more helpful lessons for you. Thank you so much for learning with me today. Keep practicing every day, and you will see real improvement very soon. Stay motivated, stay positive, and keep moving forward. I'll see you in the next lesson. Have a wonderful day ahead. Goodbye.